Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to achieve this look here. It's just a cut crease, a pink cut crease with some orange and yellow in the actual crease. So if you all would like to see how I achieve this look, then let's get right on into it. Okay, I'm going to start off with just a light shade, like a bone color shade, anything close, or even your setting powder, just something to set down your lid. Then I want to go in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette in the shade here in Access. And I'm just going to put this all on the upper part of my lid. And I'm just using a fluffy blending brush from Morphe. Morphe's brushes are really decently priced and they're really good quality brushes. So if you're in need, just get some of their brushes. They usually have a lot on sale, and their collections that aren't on sale are even good price. So okay, once we look like mustard. Okay, so now with a more dense, smaller crease brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It's called Secure. And I'm just going to work this right below that other in the more actual crease. We don't want to go too high with this shade because we definitely want that yellow peeking through. Then in the Ring the Alarm palette, I'm going to go in with this shade here called Alert. I don't know what's going on with my hair, sorry. And this is with an even smaller brush. It's the M506 brush. And I'm just going to put this in the outer corner and bring it up into the crease. Now I'm just going to go in with some concealer and a flat shader brush. And I'm going to just start carving out my crease. Lily, stop. Stop. Then after the 35 minutes it takes me to do that, I'm going to just spray the same brush down with, I hope that didn't get on my lens, with some type of just setting spray. And I'm going to go in with the shade Lolly in the Ring the Alarm palette. And I'm just going to pack this on my lid. This is like a fiery pink shade with some flecks of like a yellow, gold, orangey shade. And in the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I'm going to go in with the center shade there. And I'm just going to pop that right on the center of my lid and kind of diffuse it out towards the edges, just so that you kind of have a pop of gold there. And I want to go in the outer corner with like a fiery red orange. Let's see if I have one. Yeah. Okay, this is the limited edition 39A palette. I believe it's what it is. Yeah, Dare to Create 39A palette from last year. I'm going to go in with that shade there. I'm going to use that same small blending brush I had a while ago. I'm just going to start by stamping this on the outer corner. Kind of blending up into that cut crease. Okay, now that that's done, it's really bright and there's a lot going on, but we'll see if we can make it come together. I'm just going to take a small brush from Morphe and I'm going to blow out this orange under my eye. And I'm going to go all the way to the inner corner. Then after that, I'm going to go back in with that same mustardy shade and put it underneath that orange. And I want to connect it back here. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I can't really tell if I like this or not. I mean, I'm liking the highlight, but I feel like the eyes are a little much. The lips are a lot of much. But just tell me how y'all feel about this look. So if you like this video, please like it, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see from me, please leave it in the comments below. Bye y'all.